Okay, a universal washing machine board. So what we are going to do is we're going to replace the original washing machine board to a universal washing machine board. So what is a washing machine? Basically, a washing machine will only do or will wash our laundry. But modern washing machine now has now the capacity or the capability of doing a spin dry function. Instead of twisting the clothes with our wrist, with our hands, the washing machine will do it for you. So it has also a pre-programmed function or motion of the motor for specific types of clothes. So we have now our shirt, our jeans, and our blankets, which the washing machine will control the movement of the motor. So it will spin a little slower if the laundry is a delicate one. And modern type of washing machine now has child protection. So sometimes when the washing machine is spinning, and we know that kids are very naughty, they may open up the lid and check what is happening inside the washing machine. So the child protection will stop the motion of the motor and indicate an error that the lid is open. And nowadays, washing machine makes our life easier. So we can do our job at the same time doing the laundry. So we can make meals or dinner at the same time doing our laundry. So now you'll be asking why universal board. Firstly, it's time. It takes more time to troubleshoot a motherboard, okay? Just to find out faulty components. So, but the components are not widely available. So, some components are found outside the country, so you'd spend a lot of money in the shipping fee. And troubleshooting components in the board would take us months or even years just to find a single problem. So you'd be losing potential clients. So there are people that are lined up to fix their also they also want their washing machine to be fixed by you. And those those clients now will start your own business. So if your business is focusing on fixing existing board, then slowly you would be losing profit or you will lose your business. But before we conclude that the problem is the main board, we should first identify the problem. Does the washing machine have a power? Or there is a spin problem? There is an irregularity in its washing or its spinning? Or there is the spin and drain error is flashing on your front panel? Or also the lead error? Or there is no water supply flowing through the washing machine? Or there is the water is overflowing now to our tub? Or there is a known pest issue, especially rats, which enter the bottom of our washing machine and beat all our wirings? Or there is what you call the physical damage. Because of improper loading of the washing machine, now our pulsator, the inside the washing machine, could have or have been damaged. So no power issue is the most common problem that we could conclude that we need, that the problem is the washing machine board. So if you keep on clicking the power on button, still there's no power, you need to check now the connection of the wires, going to our mains outlet if it's connected but still no power, then we need to check its internal wires. Now for pest related issues, especially rats, they will beat or will cause an open wire inside the washing machine. So now, if still there's no power that's not turning on, we need to check our main board. So our main board is located on our front panel. So if we remove the cover, you could see now our main board. So our main board is protected by an epoxy resin so that in case of spillage of water on top of our front panel, it would not damage or cause a short circuit inside our board. So you need to remove the resin if you would do a troubleshooting of the component of the board. So we are going to test the board using our multimeter. Now, if power supplies the board, so we are checking now the connection of our mains to our board by our multimeter, and if there is a power reading on our multimeter and clicking the power button still does not power up our board, therefore there are faulty component. Okay. Okay. The universal washing machine board, so they are widely available online. So I buy one, I buy two of them now in Shopee. So what does a universal washing machine board do? They give life to old washing machine. Okay, those that are not anymore powering up, turning on. So they give another life, second chance for washing machine. They have it has its own front panel because the old front panel of our washing machine is directly connected to the its original board. It is designed specifically for its board, so it has its own panel which we could configure its usage, and it also provides a separate water level sensor because old water level sensor are not anymore compatible to our universal board. And it has a selector switch for heavy duty washing machine. So if your washing machine is big, it can accommodate 10 kilograms or 20 kilograms of laundry, so we need to select it for heavy duty. If our washing machine is small, like it can only accommodate 6 kilograms of laundry, then we could select it for small duty washing machine. And it comes with terminal plugs for easy installation. So we could just remove its old terminal plugs. So install terminal plugs so that it could be now easily plugged to our universal motherboard. So let us understand now the wiring diagram. So the wiring diagram now would give us the overview of the washing machine, of the wires connected to our washing machine. So without the wiring diagram, we would find it difficult to convert the old washing machine to the universal board. Now, if we have a wiring diagram, even though we would not anymore go deep to the wirings, we could easily identify that this wire that we are holding is now connected to the motor. So we'll just cut it off and connect it now to our universal board. So this is our universal board wiring diagram. So they have similarity to our old wiring diagram. So before we replace a washing machine board, let us understand the parts of a washing machine. So a fully automatic washing machine has a water inlet valve. So the most common inlet valve is just a single inlet valve for small or fully automatic washing machine. So a two water inlet valve indicates for one is for hot water, one is for cold water. So we had a lead sensor switch which uh, which stops the motor from spinning or washing when the cover of the washing machine is open. And a lead sensor error will be indicated to our front panel. So our front panel is the only user interface of our washing machine. So it's either we use the pre-program of the manufacturer or we can use our own desired program. And it also indicates the time of the washing machine to complete a wash. So we have the tub. So the tub is where we place our laundry. So its spinning function helps remove the dirt, and also the tub filters the water from our detergent residue, or our detergent has sometimes chalk, or there are dust in our clothes, in the cloth, so it will be filtered out. So we beside the tub is a water level sensor. So a water level sensor it actually determines the level of the water that is programmed, or of what we select a water level in our front panel. So we at the bottom of our tub we have the agitator or the pulsator. Agitator is more common to heavy duty washing machine. Pulsator is what we call to a small washing, fully automatic washing machine. So it agitates the water to spin from one direction and spin to another, to a reverse direction. So the spinning is causing the dirt to our clothes to loosen up. It's just like our hands washing our clothes. So at the bottom of the agitator is our belt. We can locate our belt. So a squeaking sound during wash cycle and spin cycle indicates that our belt has a problem. So we need to replace the belt. And our motor is located at the side of the washing machine. It's not located below the pulsator. It's located at the side, and it's connected. The pulsator is connected via the belt. So our motor, the most common problem of motors are rust. So there is rust to the bushing, at the bushing side part, or sometimes it does not spin and there's a problem to our internal fuse. And beside the motor is our drain traction motor. So the drain traction motor is responsible for opening a valve, a mechanical valve, to drain the water from the tub going to our drain hose. And some washing machine, heavy duty washing machine, has a water pump. The water pump pumps out the water from the tub. So even though your drain hose is elevated, the water inside the tub will still be flushed out. They are more common to heavy duty washing machine. And our drain hose is located at the bottom, but we can find our drain the other end of our drain hose is at either sides of our washing machine. So they are the most common part of the washing machine. You can buy it at DIY or any other hardware stores. So these are the overview of our washing machine. So from our hose, going to inlet valve. Then from the inlet valve, going to our tub. Then the water level of the tub will be handled out by our water level sensor. So this is another find out. So we can find that the drive motor is either elevated. So we are connected by the belt. So now that we found out that the problem now is the washing machine board, so we are going to install the universal washing machine board. So we're going to follow now its own wiring diagram. So for the actual demo of yours truly, you can follow the YouTube link below. Okay, thank you for watching the video lesson.